So now exercise 9 we shall do it. Fill in the blanks with passive form of verbs in the past continuous tense, right? Past continuous tense use करके हमको passive form उसका करना है. Okay, so let us do it. It is all the children dash medically examined. So examine का क्या यूज करेंगे हम? Were being examined. Okay, further, their height and weight dash down in a register note. So were being noted. Their height and weight were being noted. Their eyes dash also test were also being tested. Also दिया है, so we have to use it. We were also being tested. It is being tested. Special attention dash to their teeth. Pay. Special attention was being paid, right? Attention is singular, so was being paid to their teeth. A tree plantation campaign dash on was carried on. Sorry, was carried on is already given. The tree plantation campaign was carried on. Saplings dash along the roads were being planted. Okay, now further. Change these sentences from active to passive voice. Some volunteers were managing the office. इसको हमें change करना है passive voice में. Sorry, the traffic, not office. Some volunteers were managing the traffic. The traffic was being managed by some volunteers. A young girl was picking flowers. Flowers were being picked by a young girl. They were raising funds for a new building. Funds were being raised by them for a new building. Now fourth, fifth and sixth, and seventh you will do it on your own. I'm just focusing it on the answer key, right? So if you want you can note it down. Here it is, exercise 10, right? If you want you can pause the video. I'm focusing it on for a 2 to 3 seconds here. Okay, now we shall move further. Future continuous. Now future continuous verbs in future continuous tense cannot be expressed in the passive voice. This is very important, so please note it down and write it down. इधर का भी past continuous का form आपको करना है, ये underline करके you have to write what you will do it in past continuous tense. As usual, as earlier we were doing, fill in the blanks को आपको लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन ये जो sentences है जो पूरे हमको change करके passive में लिखने हैं, that you have to write it down in your notebook. So please complete those exercises and write these important points which I have made you underline here, right? In the past video as well as here. Fill in the blanks आप इधर ही लिखोगे तो चलेगा. Now present perfect. In active voice we have won the match. In passive voice the match has been won by us. Has she learnt the speech? Has the speech been learnt by her? In active voice, has, have plus past participle form of verb have won, and in passive voice has, have plus been plus past participle form of verb has been won, right? Now exercise 11 we shall do it. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in present perfect tense. Number 1, our school library dash fully renovate. Our school library fully renovate, उसका आपको form use करना है. Has been fully renovated. अब ये बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा है तो ये आपको I think लिखना पड़ेगा notebook में. because it's difficult to write entire thing here in the textbook in the blank given. So I think you need to write it in your notebooks. The walls, doors and windows were being have been repainted, have been repainted. Every table dash with an LED fit. Every table has been fitted. Has been fitted. Several new books dash to the library. Add. Have been added. The entire catalog dash computerized. Has been computerized. Mrs. Khanna dash the in charge of this section. Make. Has been made the in charge of this section. Now exercise 12. Change these sentences from active to passive voice. Change these sentences from active to passive. My brother has taken this photograph. So how will you change it? This photograph has been taken by my brother. All the students have attended the lecture. The lecture was being attended by all the students. Somebody has switched on the lights. The lights have been switched on by somebody. Or switched on लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. By somebody is not necessary. Now 4, 5 and 6 you can do it in your homework. I am just focusing it on the answer key. You can just pause the video and note the answers down. Okay. Now moving on to past perfect, right? I think that sums up the lesson. Okay. So past perfect, we had finished the work before sunset. Inactive. The work had been finished by us before sunset. That is passive. Had they already required the roads, and inactive. And in passive, had the roads been already repaired. Sorry, it's not required, it's repaired. Had the roads been already repaired by them also, you can write it, right? Now active, had plus past participle form of the verb had finished. Passive voice, had plus been plus past participle form of verb had been finished, right? Okay. had के साथ been को add करते हैं when you do it into passive voice. कौन सा tense हम कर रहे हैं? Past perfect tense. So let us do exercise 13. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the past perfect tense. He thought he dash unjustly. Punish. Punish का form करना है तो had been punished हो जाएगा, right? He had been punished unjustly. I was told that an email message dash to you already sent. Send का हो जाएगा sent. Had been already sent to you. Past participle. Send का past participle sent होता है. I was delighted to know that my poem dash for school magazine accept. My poem had been accepted for the school magazine. Everybody felt that a satisfactory decision dash take had been taken. Did you feel that you dash cheat? You had been cheated. Who told you that my father dash transfer? Had been transferred. Now exercise 14. Change these sentences from active to passive voice. That we shall do it. They had recently bought a new car, right? So how will you change it? A new car had recently been bought by them. The police had already arrested the culprits. The culprits had already been arrested by the police. या नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. Already been arrested is okay. The tiger had already killed 2 laborers. 2 laborers had already been killed by the tiger. Now 4, 5 and 6 you shall do it in the homework, and I am focusing it once again on the answer key. So I have paused it here for 2 to 3 seconds. So we stop here now. From future perfect tense, we shall start it next time and finish off the lesson, because it is up to page number 99 only. Subject verb agreement, we will not take it. Put a cross on lesson 21, we are omitting it. Then we shall move on. 23 also we are not doing. Comparison of adverbs we are not doing. 21 we shall do it. 21 is adverbs, I think. Yes, 22, sorry, 22 we shall do it. 23 we won't do it. So next we shall move on to lesson 22, adverbs. First we will finish off future perfect and the exercises till the end. Now we stop here and shall continue further next time.